Alright guys, we're looking at our homework, what can you use to cut through waves, and we're going to look at question 2. It says Jeff hiked 2/3 of the distance from Lookout Point to Eagle Station, and then he stopped for lunch. How far did he hike? So 2/3 is important, and then of gets a little confusing, but when we're talking about operations, we need to think that of means to multiply. So of means multiply. And we're going from Lookout Point to Eagle Station. So I'm going to look at my map. Lookout Point, Eagle Station is this little hike right here. Nice little hike, 2.1 miles. So I already remembered that of means multiply. So on my paper, I'm doing number 2, 2/3, and then of, think of multiply. And I'm going to do 2 1/10. So from my notes that we took in class, I know that I have to make this into an improper fraction in order to multiply it. So I do that by using the Texas method. So I multiply 2 times 10 is 20 plus 1 is 21 over 10. So 21 over 10 is the equivalent fraction of 2 1/10. And then I'm going to just bring down this, and now I'm going to multiply it. So remember, to multiply fractions, it's not a problem. It's top times top and bottom times bottom. Before I do that, though, I'm going to look to see if I can simplify. 2/3, no. 21 over 10, no. But I'm going to look at my cross. So if I look across and I see 2 and 10, I know that those can both be divisible by 2. So I'm going to simplify. 2 goes into 2 1 time. 2 goes into 10 5 times. And you might think, well, I'm done. And I could be done if you wanted. But I really know my multiplication facts. And I know that 3 and 21 also have a common factor. So I know that 3 goes into 3 1 time. And 3 goes into 21 7 times. If you didn't know that, that's okay. You'll still get the same answer. But now I see these ones. So my life is a little bit easier. So now I'm just going to multiply top times top. 1 times 7. And bottom times bottom. 1 times 5. So 7 over 5, which is an improper fraction, so I need to turn it back into a mixed number. So if I have 7 people, I think of how many groups of 5 I could make, and it's one whole group of people. And then there would be 2 left over, and then my denominator just stays the same. If I wanted to check to make sure my answer was correct, I could use that Texas method again to make sure. 1 times 5 is 5 plus 2 is 7, so that kind of reminds me, hey, these are correct. So 1 2/5. If I look over here, I see it right here, 1 2/5. So my answer would be W1, 1 2/5. Alrighty, I hope that helped. See you Monday.